Welcome to our guide on multi-user collaboration in DaVinci Resolve 19. In today's video, we'll explore how to enhance your editing projects with team contributions. Let's start by setting up your project for effective team collaboration. We will go through the steps to configure your settings for smooth teamwork. Understanding user roles and permissions is critical for any collaborative effort. Each role has different capabilities that facilitate an organized workflow. Now, let's look at how you can invite team members to your project. This step ensures that everyone is on board. Navigating the collaboration interface may seem daunting at first, but we'll break it down into simple steps so you can work together efficiently. Working with shared timelines allows multiple collaborators to contribute simultaneously. Here's how to manage your shared media efficiently. One of the standout features of DaVinci Resolve is real-time editing. Learn how to leverage this for maximum productivity while avoiding conflicts. Utilizing comments and annotations becomes crucial for giving and receiving feedback. This enhances communication among team members. Here are some tips for effective communication that will help your team stay on the same page throughout the editing process. Remember these best practices as you embark on your multi-user editing journey in DaVinci Resolve. Happy editing!